This is the needlepoint variety of Hedera Helix, the ivy, growing on a sycamore tree or Celtic maple in Spiers Old School Grounds near Beith. These lower leaves, these are what's called the juvenile or immature stage, are very much more pointed than the normal ivy leaf. However, further up the tree, we move on to the mature phase, and these leaves appear relatively normal for this mature phase, where they cease to be sort of triangular in shape and take on this more spear point. It's also very clear here is the adventitious roots. These hair-like structures sticking out of the stem are the adventitious roots. They don't penetrate the bark, but they do attach themselves to it. This is forming an ideal habitat for some of the mushrooms. Here we have some small bonnet cap mushrooms sheltered within the ivy. The mature phase of ivy is very difficult to take rootings from. However, these lower sections with the more triangular shaped leaves root very easily. So this is a variety of ivy, and the leaves are quite strikingly different.